Afternoon to all of you. We are the Charles Angels Group from Access Computer College to explain how the electricity is distributed. Well, I would like to introduce first my member or my co-member and group. First, myself, I'm John Ryan B. Indian. Christina Magnato. Then, Fatima Benguete and Helen Estrada. Well, let's begin. First, I would like to show the material. First, 5 pieces of calamansi, 5 pieces of fruit, 5 pieces of hexacoin, some wire, and 1 flour. Let's start. First, get some calamansi.
Like this? Nakikita ba?
Five centavo coins represent the proton or the positively charged, while the screw, negative, or as you all know, electron, the negatively charged. And in this bulb, the longer one is represent for the positive, and the shorter one is for the negative. And see the bulb has been enlightened.
Ano?
And the bulb been enlightened. Milo ba?
Hindi, isa pa.
Wait.
Pinagdikit mo kasi. Yan, ganyan. Para umilaw, makita nila umilaw. Yan.
Hindi dumidikit sa bensin.
Yan. O, yan na. Yan. Oh.
Yan. Sige, patakpan mo pa.
Ano mo ng ano, notebook?
Yan, ganyan. Ito na, yan. Yan. Okay na. Ah.
So, what is electricity? Electricity is the basic source of energy in this world. Also, energy is not been destroyed, but it's deformed and formatted. That's all.
Stop na.